today is one of those days when I'm feeling very lethargic, very sleepy. Time is 10:50 a.m. in the morning. Got up like 2 hours back, but still I'm feeling very sleepy. Sometimes it happens and I'm in no mood to work out, but then I feel very guilty if I skip my workout. Anyways, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Hello, hope everyone is doing great. You people asked me to show my workout, show my diet, what all I eat in a day. I thought I'll show you my diet, but not today. Monday or Tuesday I'll try to show my diet, what all I eat in a day. I'm pretty sure I'm boring you with all this. See you after the workout. While I was working out, I just got a call from Triumph Hyderabad and this happened. Hello, it's ready? See you in 30 minutes. Oh yes, I'm gonna test ride the brand new 2020 Triumph Street Triple. See you at the show. No parking here, yaar. Where do I park? Anyways, no more bakwas. Directly I'll see you on the brand new Street Triple 2020. Any GoPro view in 3, 2, 1. Okay, chalo. Oh, by the way, I have to tell you, there are these two bikes as well. The brand new 2020 Tiger. This is the GT Pro. Sorry. This is the Rally Pro and this is the GT. Both of these I'm yet to test ride. Oh, nice. Comfort seat. Okay. And I think heated comfort seat. That's amazing, yeah. And on the GT, why am I talking about these bikes? I'll be talking about these bikes maybe in the next vlog. Actually, I have plans to take that for a longer ride. For now, let's... Oh man, look at the stitching. See, all these details, they matter a lot. Nice. And how many of you guys like this paint scheme? Matte black with this fluorescent accents. I think it is okay. There is actually one more bike, a silver one, which is much more beautiful. I'll come back and show you that. For now, this is how it looks. With the typical bug eye. Sitting on it. After sitting on your adventure tourers, this seems like a proper, it's like a Chotu mobile phone. That is the display panel. Anything special? Nothing, it just says Street Triple. Good afternoon. Okay, let me start up. Okay, that's how it sounds. Is it warm? Yes, and this is how it sounds. Sounds good. Let's go. Take a spin and see what's this baby got, and especially because I have ridden the... Oh my god. Okay. Especially I have ridden the Street Triple S that we have in the group. A perfect street bike here. Right now it's in 3rd gear. Okay, immediately one thing I noticed about the bike, you see that when you give this sudden throttle, there's not that immediate punch like the old Street Triple. But I mean, there is ample power, but then it's not like crazy. The torque comes up later. Let me go this side here. How is the turning? Turning radius is not that great, but that's expected in a Street Triple. You see, immediately it doesn't pull. It takes a little bit of time to rev up. So initially you don't have that punchy power, but slowly it gains. I think after, I don't know how much RPM, but at a full tank, seriously, Triumph Hyderabad, you're great. Never seen full tank on a test ride vehicle. Oh, that was 105 or 106 on the 3rd gear. Okay, Pajero, slow down. If you hit me with that tank, I'm gonna shape out. Let me stop here. Actually, I'll tell you something. I was telling you about the torque, right? The slow torque. Maybe that is to do with the modes. Let me toggle around and put it in sports mode. What mode is it in now? Auto. Road mode. Okay. Track, rider, rain, road. We'll put it in track. Alright. Right now it's in track. Let's see. TC disabled. traction control is disabled. Have to be very careful. Okay, let's see if the torque has improved. So immediately when I pull, oh yes, yes, you see it now? You see this? That difference? Oh, it is there. And braking, look at this braking. It just plants itself there. More than the torque and more than the pull and all that, actually braking is more scary. I don't think you need such crazy braking on a street bike. To be careful, Sriman, there is no traction control right now because you're in track mode. Yes, now I'm getting that immediate torque. Oh, bro. Array, look at this, man. Woo! Lamborghini. See, if you're riding it like this slowly, I mean, if you have plans to get a street bike for yourself in a budget of 10 to 15 lakhs, 10 to 12 lakhs actually, I think RS, this is RS, right? Yeah, RS is somewhere around, I think 13 to 14 lakhs on road. If you have plans to get a bike like this for the street, and if you have that budget, I think I'll definitely recommend it. Because you know, when you're riding it decently without revving it, it's like a normal chota sa bike. You don't feel like it's a freaking monster. It's nice to handle, nice thicky tires it's got. Look at that braking, yaar. Scary braking. I think it's got the top of the line style mass, Brembo style mass. 4th gear, aram se you can cruise around the city. But yeah, it's shaky full on because I'm not used to a street bike much. I can feel a lot of vibrations in my body. Full massage ho raha. Oh my god, braking is like madness, yaar. You don't want to hit the front brake. Shit. You know, this kind of feel I did not get in the KTM 790. I don't know, people were saying 890 is better now. I have to test ride that. But if you ask me now, I don't think a KTM 790 can come close to a street triple, that too an RS. It's crazy, yaar. I want to actually take this onto the highway one day. I'll see if Triumph gives me that opportunity. I'll definitely take it onto the highway because this belongs there. I mean, obviously you can enjoy it in the city as well. Careful. Horn though will not change. Activa wala horn on any bike. Look at my hands became red because I'm not used to, you know, riding bikes like these where your body is lean towards the front and your hands take all the pressure. See this? Red ho gaya pura. Oh my god, look at the slope. Either brake mare to pakka front, what is that called? Stoppy ho jayega. It's just going to 80 like that. Oh god. And everything feels so snug and tight. Look at this. Nice balance. And oh yes, like I always keep talking about the premium feel. Everything is so nice. Everything feels so beautiful and super premium. Obviously it should feel like that because you're paying almost 13 to 15 lakhs. चलो इधर से पूरा ट्रैफिक होगा. लेट मी गो बैक. अरे क्या हो रहा है यार हैदराबाद को? देयर इज अ फ्रीकिंग G63 on the left and a mad Lamborghini. A yellow Lamborghini. Do you see that? Let me show you. See, this is the G63 AMG and look at that Lamborghini. Shit, madness yaar. Super rich Hyderabadis, Nawabs. Look at the road सामने. Very tempting. I'm actually scared to rev this bike properly. It's just going to 90, 100 just like that in a snap. Okay, first thing I love about this bike is definitely the braking, yeah. A-class braking. No other bike in my life I felt that there is this kind of crazy braking. So if you love braking, go for this bike blindly. And obviously this acceleration is like superb. Oh. And I'll not say it's like mad power like a ZX10R and all. You can handle it easily in the city. I mean, for example, the ZX10R, first of all, position is like this, and second thing is it's so powerful, 200 HP of a monster. You can never shift properly. You'll always be in the first gear. Why is the rev meter off? One more Lamborghini. अरे क्या हो रहा है यार? You see that? Shit! Come. I think it's planning to take a U-turn. Yes, you see it? Such a swanky car, yaar. Fudge. Oh yes, the clutch is like super light. Little bit harder than a adventure tourer. I mean, adventure tourer needs it because you travel like long distances. That definitely needs a lighter clutch. This feels a little bit harder than an adventure tourer. But why am I even comparing this to an adventure tourer? This has got that good feel. Feels nice and small. I think this doesn't weigh more than a KTM 390 Adventure. I think it weighs 160, 170 kilos if I'm not wrong. And weight might be around 180 max. See, so when you're in traffic, it doesn't intimidate you. Aram se it goes. Mirrors are good, wide enough. Handle is wide enough. Not very comfortable for a long ride. Oh, by the way, you people keep asking me so much regarding Sriman bhai, can we take this bike and go to Ladakh? Can we take that bike to Ladakh? Can we take this bike to Ladakh? I keep repeating this a million times. You can take any bike you want to Ladakh, but then it's not a bike, it is a rider, you know. If you have the patience, if you have the will to do it, you can do it on any bike. There are people who do massive long rides on cycles as well. So forget about that. Any bike will perform. Only thing is, you'll not enjoy the power because when you go to a great altitude, what happens is your bike's power decreases because of less oxygen levels. For example, I'll tell you, my Tiger is around 97 PS, 97 bhp power, and when I took it to Ladakh, I felt like it is a 60 bhp power. So imagine what if your bike is around 20 bhp, it becomes like 10 bhp or 9 bhp. And in case you have a lot of luggage and if you come across a stone or something in a height, it is a little bit difficult to manage there. But yeah, you can still make your way out. It's not like a complicated thing. Long story short, you can definitely take any bike to Ladakh. Alright? Don't ask me that question next time. Ask me how do you prepare yourself physically and mentally to go to Ladakh. That makes more sense. Don't talk about the tool that you're using. Anyway, I'll take this bike for a longer ride properly onto the highway, rev it out properly and see how it performs on the highway. For the street, definitely you can get one if you have the budget. Nice street bike. Can zip around the city arams without any problems. I don't think you can use it as a daily commuter for office. You can, but again, like I told you, it's the will. If you really love doing that, you can take it. Chalo back. Okay, I'll just go a little bit inside so that you can hear the exhaust note. Wanna hear it? Nice.
Potential next bike, huh?
Yeah, actually Charan was almost getting a 790 Duke. You remember that scene, right?
Yeah.
We went to the showroom as well to pick it up, but then we didn't get the test ride, so we didn't buy it. Thanks to lockdown, he saved money. Not sure now, but someday.
Maybe 1-2 years.
1-2 years to time maybe he got this car. Na? If he didn't get the car, he would actually think about this. Go test ride, give me a good review. What you feel about it, especially comparing to the 790 Duke. Because you were like very happy riding the 790 Duke.
Compares to 890 probably.
That's what I was saying. Maybe 890 is better. I didn't ride it. You also didn't ride it, so let's compare it to 790 Duke. Back in the select.
20 minutes later.
Sir, how do you like it, sir?
I loved it.
No.
I loved it.
Now tell me, is Triumph better or KTM better? I mean, only the 790 section.
Triumph. It is a raw bike, but
And main thing is that
we
sound
got
never-
used to the smoothness, reliability, nice build quality. This feels solid in the hand.
Yeah, especially I was talking about the handle and all. When you
Everything
leave it, it's so
feels-
solid and it's
Everything
grounded.
feels well built,
Yeah.
and oh man, that exhaust note.
Exhaust note like crazy. You don't need to put any exhaust on
And the
this.
quick shifter works brilliantly.
I didn't use the quick shifter. By the way, it's got a quick
It
shifter.
is brilliant.
I thought I'll use it on the highway.
I
I'll
thought the
take it
KTM
once.
one was good, but this is much better than the KTM.
No, he was going like gaga over the KTM 790. He gave me so much of hype about that. I think that destroyed everything about the 790 after he gave me so much hype.
But if I have to pick now between two bikes, if they're priced at the same price, this is or even 1 lakh more than the KTM, this would be a choice. But if the price is 3-4 lakhs, then yeah, that's a big factor.
Acha, mana rating raja style cheppu.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10 for the street triple. And KTM now?
Maybe 7.5. So this is the 900 GT, right? Or
This is not GT, this is Rally Pro.
Rally.
You need to recognize it with the colors. Khaki green and white. Sharon wants to test drive the Rally Pro Tiger. I'm going to do it in the next video. We did the street triple, so I don't want to confuse you guys with all these reviews. Okay, ready with the iPad? Play a game, go. I like the startup sound of the new Tiger. Check this out. Okay, Sharon, now don't get too impressed. You'll not like your 850 GS.
అది నడిపిన తర్వాత అది నడపకుండా ఉండాల్సింది.
Reaction.
No, but I think ride, handling, the refinement, best out there.
Best out there, Anand?
There are 4 bikes in this category.
Oh, in this
850,
category
In
also.
this category, 850, this one, Multistrada 950, and maybe Africa Twin, maybe. Out of all those bikes, this has the best ride, handling. It leans like a sports bike, not sports bike, street bike. But performance, I would still give 850 more points.
Performance.
City mein, highway mein, I don't know.
Charan, did your OCD again kick in? What are you trying to put now?
PPF.
Tires ho gaya.
PPF.
PPF?
For the shiny material. Scratches.
Not the car. Okay, he's planning to get PPF on this shiny surface. Yeah. We are at 3M here. Abba. We are at 3M. ये पूरा भैया ये शाइनी है ना पॉलिश्ड वाला इस पे डाल
Piano black ఏరియాలోనే
ఇది మనకి ఫినిషింగ్ అయితే ఎక్దమ్ నీట్ గా రాదండి.
PPF cancel हो गया Charan actually whatever you want to do on the car it's twice first time flop second time we'll do it
थर्ड टाइम हो गया टायर्स फाइनली आ गया.
finally third time
सीट बेल्ट.
hey seat belt is there
So I'll show
I
you
don't want to pay
sports.
200 rupees
I'll show-
okay sports mode अरे
Look at the grip.
shit अरे
Tires
very
worth
good
it.
you're not getting my reaction on my face because of the mask but it is definitely improved there's no skid
Not just once. I'm trying it third time.
scratch
fourth
never
time.
tires that's like crazy I was expecting it to roll good I think it's improved by at least 30-40%
Easy.
the traction
Only
God.
concern is now it might last less.
Now I understand Charan made sense all these days I was thinking he's wasting his money and wasting his time tires बोल के seriously full throttle जैसा हुआ
Full throttle. It went to 80 in that short time.
yes I could feel the torque the other day
because
it
it
was
is
scrubbing
grip.
right the other day
Ah.
was scrubbing
And that's why it felt faster, but this time it's actually gripping.
now you can feel the full torque
Tiger.
he said he's impressed
But it
That
lost
RS.
that whistling noise. In
it
the
is
low.
there slightly not
Only
as good as
in
mine
idle.
But you people always complain about my Tiger for the whistling noise
Maybe we are
Arre,
happy.
wait, this so అంటుందని.
On GoPro I said it sounds like a regular bike now.
anyways I'll test ride it next week maybe city test ride I'll do and highway test ride I'll do I think I'll be the right one to compare it because I ride a Tiger since almost 3 years now
A&T lighter.
अभी coffee पियेंगे once again came to Shiva's house the concrete jungle what are we gonna do here have chai is he gonna get chai for us today I got 4 dabbas because I'm planning to stay at Pooja's house today. No eating out, no eating at anyone's house. My own roti, my own oats, my own protein. వాడు వచ్చి షుగర్ ప్యాకెట్లు పట్టుకొస్తాడు లేదా మిల్క్ పౌడర్ పట్టుకొస్తాడు.
హలో గైస్ వాట్సాప్ కైసే హో హలో what you are up to
స్కూల్లో పాట అని చెప్పినట్టు చెప్తున్నావు.
వెరీ గుడ్ శివ. ఫైనలీ అందరూ నా ఇంటర్ నేర్చుకున్నారు మంచిగా. అంటే నా వీడియోస్ బాగా చూస్తున్నారు.
అవును
మళ్ళీ చెడ్డి వేసుకొచ్చావరా?
మళ్ళీ
ఫేస్ మీద చెడ్డి వేసుకొచ్చావు. డైపర్. శివ, what are we doing now? Why did you call us down? Shiva had to come from that floor. I mean not exactly that building. He started half an hour back and he came now. కిందికి రా అని 20 minutes అని చెప్పి మోడు అక్కడి నడుచుకుంటూ 25th floor దిగి.
ఏది మా టీ అది?
ముందర వచ్చేటప్పుడు చెప్పాలి కదరా, మళ్ళీ ఇప్పుడు అంత దూరం పైకి పోవాలనా?
నువ్వే నో అంటున్నావు పైకి వెళ్ళడానికి. నీకు ఎప్పుడు ఎనర్జీ ఉంటుంది కదరా.
అరే అగైన్ రిపీట్ ఫర్ అన్న బ్లాగ్. సేమ్ థింగ్. వి మెట్ శివ, నౌ వి మెట్ Adi. Adi is coming. Reverse order. First we met Adi that time and then we went to Shiva. Abhi thoda change, okay? ఈడు హల్దీరామ్ ప్యాకెట్లు అన్ని పట్టుకొని వస్తుంటా.
డే 2
రిపీట్. ఎందుకు బాగా ఎక్సైట్ అవుతున్నావు కెమెరా చూడగానే? ఇంకా ఆలస్యం ఎందుకు నా ఇంటర్వ్యూ చేయడానికి? కష్టపడుతున్నావు. Come on, you can do it.
మళ్ళీ తప్పొస్తే తిడతారేమో అని.
You can do it. అయితేనే ఇస్తాడు మళ్ళీ.
How are you doing? Oh, sorry.
Bro, you can give my intro.
Oh, yeah. Hey, what's up guys? कैसे हो ఎలా అన్నారు? Hope everybody is doing great.
చూడు సిగ్గు లేదు మాడికి.
అరే అన్న urban ranch అని గుర్తుంది కదా? urban ranch అని.
అరే యా
that is me. వావ్ ఓకే ఓకే.
ఇవ్వు
వాడు ఇచ్చేసింది కదా ఇంకెందుకు?
అక్కడ
హైలైట్ అక్కడ వెయిటేజ్ వెళ్ళిపోయింది అక్కడికి. So, do you mind if I give a shout out?
Yeah, give.
I have a YouTube channel called Urban Ranch guys. So
what is it about?
My channel is basically about traveling. అంటే మీ దగ్గర నుంచి ఇన్స్పైర్ అయ్యి I've started it.
Okay, nice. Good.
Do you mind if I grab a quick picture?
Click, no problem.
ఆ కెమెరా ది.
ఫోన్ బాగుందా?
కొడుతుంది చెయ్యి.
ఫోన్ ఇస్ గుడ్.
iPhone 5 is so
అరే
sexy.
కలర్ చూడు.
అరే నీ షర్ట్ కి మ్యాచ్ రాదు.
నేను దినా? Yeah, sure.
నీ షర్ట్ లో కలిసిపోయింది ఫోన్.
Thank you.
చలో bye. అదే ఒక చిన్న హెల్ప్ రా. ఈ స్పూన్ లోపటి ఇచ్చారా?
ఎవరిదిరా ఈ స్పూన్?
వాళ్ళ ట్రయంఫ్
పట్టుకొచ్చేసినావా?
ఇచ్చారు. తింటా అంటే
అరే ఇది కూడా అదే సైజ్ లో ఉంది.
I was having my dabba. Where is my tiffin?
నీ డబ్బా సైజ్ స్పూన్ కూడా ఇదే కదరా?
Thank you Triumph Hyderabad. You gave me hot water and spoon to eat.
అవునట ఇప్పుడు
దాదు సాబ్ దక్కనిరా మహారాజా.
मेरा हो गया. You people need to decide.
ఏంటి?
Adi, you also got fruits?
I'm carrying a dabba every day.
But you have to get your haldirams, na?
That
అది సరే తప్పలేదు.
నేను తినట్లేదు ఇంకో డబ్బా తింటా.
We are not eating anything out. We'll eat some fruits. So
Fresh
watermelon.
Chilled
What by the way, haldirams and watermelon. We're done for the day. Now going to Pooja's house. Yes, I'm planning to stay at Pooja's house today. Basically Pooja's mom's house. And Naisha is also there, so I'm gonna have a pretty good time. I'll be staying for the night and tomorrow I'll go back home with Naisha and Pooja. I'll see you at Pooja's house directly. Okay, what all I have to take? Very important. Pour a tiffin box, dinner, tomorrow's breakfast, one snack and रात का protein shake. And my laptop. अभी ये vlog edit करना है ना. I'll sit and work. And night का clothes. Namaste karo. Namaste. Hi. Namaste. Where is button? Show button. Where is button? Yes.
Good. Very good.
Very good.